Alright, I'm making a homemade lid for my tainer. I got stuff in here. Um, I'm going to try to post this video today. I got, all it is a piece of wood, 2 screws on either side into the wood, so it allows me to, hold on, let me grab my keys. Need to grab anything out of there, I can just unlock the thing and close. So all it is made out of a Lexan piece of plastic, L bracket, or I call it, yeah, that's an L bracket. So it's bolted like this, and in this piece right here is where the lock goes in. There's a way you probably break that, but I'm putting all my effort into that, and that's not breaking. So there we go. I made a homemade lid with, out of plywood, 2 long screws, Lexan glass, piece of bracket, a bolt, a screw and a bolt, and a padlock. And now I can throw my wire. Now I have another thing that's going to be going into this thing. Let me be right back. I just got to go back here. Alright, so here's my, where I hold all my wire cutters and the solder stuff, and that's going to go in here so I don't have to worry about drilling a hole through this metal box. I'm going to be showing you how to do that with a plastic toolbox, and then, and I think that's all I'm going to have to. It's 2 things I'm showing you. I got some locks for guns. Really technically for guns. There's 2 of them. I'm going to use that as a locking piece for that metal tool, that plastic toolbox over there. I got my itty bitty drill, my big drill. So I'm gonna try not use the red one. I'm gonna use that red one for another thing. But you can tell there's 2 different sizes here. I got the small one, and I got a big one. So I'm gonna stop the recording right here, and after I get the toolbox over here, and then I'll show you what I did. I'm just showing you what I did on this one because this one took a lot of guessing. So I'll be right back when I get to the video. Oh, and this is where that red toolbox is going to be in here. So I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back. This is my steel toolbox. It's missing the viter in it, but that's fine with me because I can stuff more stuff in here. One thing on this thing I want to do, and that's going to probably, I want to get another toolbox so not have plastic. So what my steps are, well, it looks like I have to use the big red one because it's going to be long enough to go down. And so the keys on this things, you got to hold these keys down before you can lock this thing back up. It'd be nice if I had a way to mount it somewhere easier for me to do, but I'm just going to do a loop, and so when it's halfway like this, I'm going to try to get this thing all the way up. see if I can do it that way. If that doesn't work, we can go to the smaller one. It'd be nice if I can go with the smaller one, and try to go at an angle and then hook it back up. So I'm gonna reset you up, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. It looks like I'm gonna have to go to the 4th notch or the second or 3rd notch. So we're gonna drill through the Alright, there's one. Alright, there's 2. I'm going to try it with the smaller. Alright, we're going to try that one first because I don't estimating. Too small. Alright, we'll go to the next one. A person gave me this with the broken lock piece to it. So now let's go. That's perfect. Alright, so we open it just enough for me to I need to go up through here so it's a lot shorter. Alright, let's see if I can get it. Well, I can officially know I can get that anyway. There we go. Can't open it. Nothing. So that's my homemade way of doing it on this one. But I got a couple of other ones that needs the same treatment. I'm probably gonna wait to get a couple more extra locks so I have. Because if this thing is unlocked, it's not coming unlocked because I'm pulling on it so freaking hard. This wouldn't stretch plastic because I drilled it up here and not here because there was so much play. But I could still use these 2 original locks tabs. Probably sooner or later, after I get me a rivet gun, a couple other things, I'll be riveting the padlock on this thing, or a latch piece, and And the size I went to on here was a 5/16. That's for the gun lock. This is for guns. That's why they are so flexible and so that's one way be promoted with the gun both locks. So I gotta make tags, go or get some markers or something, and have the key at another, so I know which key goes where. I'll just guess which key it is, and I won't probably get anything. I might try to, and that's the DIY to lock up a toolbox that had so many. I had to cut the rest of it off because it was just broken completely. So I hacked off the rest of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this video of a DIY putting a lock on a toolbox and a homemade lid for a retainer. It doesn't have, sorry, I had the camera pointed down. So my next video I'll be making is this. I wear a necklace. I don't wear it all the time. I don't wear them in the videos, but I do wear them. There was 2 pieces of wood that was on either, there was 2 of them. So what I'm going to do is actually go up here at the top, and I'm going to put a hole there for 2 of my necklace, and do it that way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please, I want to have 3 likes out of this video. Alright, YouTube, bye. I just wanted to show you guys, this is what I was talking about. And I got my 2 necklaces in there. I got a spare hook. Hold on. I'll be right back with a flashlight. Alright, you see the second hook, and then my other cross is in there, and that's my first cross. Yes, that cross you see, that is the same cross that they have in the Fast and the Furious of one of the characters that wears it. So that's how I was showing you. That's what I was talking about. So I'm posting this, but the video all this is gonna be in one video. So I'll put this on YouTube. I'll post it today, and then have it where it goes goes on the 28th for Wednesday. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video.